In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a Gantt chart in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the Gantt view inside your project and how to make sense of what you see so you can plan work with clear timelines and dependencies. Start by opening Asana in your browser or desktop app and signing in. On the left sidebar, go to Projects, then open the project you want to visualize. You'll land on the project's main workspace, often in List or Board View, depending on what you used most recently. This is your starting point. At the top of the project, look for the row of View tabs. You'll typically see options like List, Board, Timeline, Calendar, and more. Right alongside those, there's an Add tab with a small plus icon. Click that Add tab to reveal additional views you can attach to your project. This is where Asana lets you expand how you see your work without changing any underlying tasks. From that menu, select Gantt. As soon as you click it, Asana adds the Gantt view as a tab and opens it. Now you're looking at a classic horizontal timeline of your project where each task appears as a bar spanning from its start date to its due date. This makes it easy to see how work overlaps, where there are gaps, and whether anything is at risk of colliding with other deadlines. Use the timeline's controls to get comfortable. You can scroll left and right to move through time and scroll up and down to move through sections. Look for zoom options to switch between day, week, and month views depending on how detailed you want the schedule to appear. If your project includes task dependencies, you'll see lines connecting related tasks, helping you understand sequencing at a glance. If a task isn't showing on the chart, it likely doesn't have dates yet. Gantt works best when tasks have both start and due dates. You can add or adjust those directly from the Gantt view by selecting a task and updating its dates. Filters are also helpful here. Narrow the view to a specific section, assignee, or time window so you can focus on just what matters right now. If you don't see the Gantt option in the Add menu, it may be limited by your plan or workspace settings. In that case, Timeline provides a similar Gantt-style perspective. To switch back to another view at any time, just click a different tab at the top. Asana remembers your choices, so you can return to Gantt whenever you need a high-level schedule. That's all it takes to view a Gantt chart in Asana and start planning with clarity.